Hey guys, it's CJ and I'm back with another video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and save this. Come back to this video. So this video is a little different. Not only am I going to do a product review, but I'm also going to showcase how to display a product. I am back showcasing again the Butter Bar skincare. Of course, in the last video I showed you the mask. Today I am showcasing how amazing these scrubs are. So make sure you're paying attention. If you want to showcase a product for a brand, if you're an aspiring influencer or blogger, guess what? You need to showcase the best version of that. So in order to do that, you don't want to pull things out of a crazy looking box, even though the boxes come out looking crazy like this. Like this video, share this video with your friends. Thank you. Okay, so this isn't exactly smooth. However, you get my drift. And you can relate to this. I bet you're struggling with something like this right now. Okay guys, here comes the first tip. Actually, you just saw it. Make sure you're doing really cool transitions. If you're on Instagram, TikTok, whatever social media app that you use, make sure when you're creating content for other brands that you are doing something and that you are interested in. Second tip, make sure you're recording something repostable. No brand wants to repost something that looks ugly. Let's just face it. Okay, so I know I'm educating y'all right now, but I really do like this scrub. The scrub that I'm using right now is actually the black coffee scrub. And when I say it's so moisturizing, like you saw in the clip, like if you didn't pause and rewind, did you see the oil off the jar? Did you see it? Because I saw it and I said, you know what? I'm going to try this one out just for you guys for this video. Outside of the tiny mess that was made, look at my skin, y'all. Glowing! I'm glowing. And last tip, have fun. No one wants to watch something no one had fun making. Have some fun, get creative, and do your research. See you soon. If you guys have gotten this far in the video, it's time for a code. Make sure you use it at checkout. Have you guys subscribed yet? Make sure you do that right now. And share this video with a friend. Comment below if you use some of these techniques in your video. See you soon.